My name is Gail Eaton-Briggs and I work in Tasmania for the Department of Health and Human Services. I'm currently the Assistant Deputy Secretary for the Children and Youth Services area, and that's an area that looks after child protection and youth justice. And so the workforce there needs a lot of help and building in terms of capability, and so I was looking for a new tool to be able to add to my toolkit so that I can work with them to build some of their strengths. Yeah, I think that leaders are really pressured at the moment. They're very much pressured to perform around key performance indicators and reports and data, and trying to measure themselves and their performance of their teams against really hard indicators. And I do think that leaders get really distracted by that and forget about what they need to do to invest in themselves to be able to get the best out of their team members. And I really believe that if they can get the best out of their team members, then those results are going to reflect in the data of the KPIs anyway. So a particular group of people that I want to focus on building their capability are working in very traumatic environments with loads of pressure around them. And so a lot of the neuroscience that sits behind the I4 model is going to resonate with them very well. And I think that a lot of my people that I'm working with are social workers and psychologists, so they don't want a model that has no basis to it. This has a basis of neuroscience, and you can really see by looking at the anatomy of the brain and looking at the various parts of the brain and how they work and how they impact on behaviours. And so I think that they're going to find that this is a tool and a model that they feel will absolutely genuinely help them and that they will have some respect for. It's not just a simple book that you can buy at an airport, for example. There actually has a lot of basis and substance to it. So one of the most powerful things that I heard, and I think it came out of Sylvia, was one of the biggest gifts that a leader can give is to bring out the best in other leaders. And I know that that's something that has sat perhaps well with me for a long period of time, but I don't think I've ever articulated it and felt really connected to it in the way that I absolutely do now. So for me, this has just been almost a serendipitous moment of knowing that I need to be working with these people. I want to work with these people. I know that I've done some good leadership work in the past. With this tool, I can combine it with that and really grow them, and that will be my gift to them.